Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss metal carbonyl cluster in organometallic compound. So this topic is most important for CSR, NET, GATE, so please don't skip the video. Now metal carbonyl clusters. Now metal carbonyl cluster. What is cluster compound? Cluster compound means at least one metal direct bond present. Now metal carbonyl cluster, two types. One is LNCC, others is HNCC. LNCC means low nuclearity carbonyl cluster, HNCC means high nuclearity carbonyl cluster. Now, low nuclearity carbonyl cluster, first I discuss LNCC. In LNCC contains metal atoms less than equal to 4. Metal atom 4, 3, 2 applied LNCC and greater than equal to 5 applied HNCC. Now LNCC calculate number of metal bonds. LNCC through calculate the number of metal bonds using 18 or 16 electron rules. Calculate number of metal bonds using 18 or 16 electrons rule. Now first I discuss 18 electrons rule. Step 1, first calculate total valence electron. First calculate step 1, calculate total valence electron. Step 2, then calculate number of metal bonds. Number of metal bonds equal to 18 into n minus total valence electron by 2. This is the formula. Number of metal bonds equal to 18n minus total valence electron by 2, where n equal to number of metal atoms in cluster compound. Now first step 1, calculate total valence electron. Then step 2, number of metal bonds 18 into n minus total valence electron by 2. Example, in M2CO whole 10, where M equal to, suppose this is Mn, manganese, technetium, rhenium, etc. Now in case of Mn2CO whole 10, first calculate total valence electron. The number of metal atom is 2. So number of metal atom 2, this is the LNCC, because LNCC contain metal atoms less than equal to 4. So I applied LNCC rule. So first calculate total valence electron. Total valence electron equal to, in manganese, in case of manganese, valence electron 3d 5 4 s2. So total 7 electron, 5 plus 2 7 electron. So 7 into 2 manganese, so into 2 plus 10 carbonyl contribute 2 electron, 1 carbonyl contribute 2 electron, so 10 into 2 equal to 14 plus 20 equal to 34. Then calculate number of metal bonds. Number of metal bonds equal to 18 into n minus total valence electron by 2, equal to 18 into n means number of metal atoms. There is 2 manganese there, so 2 metal. 18 into 2 minus total valence electron, this is 34. So there is 34 by 2 equal to 36 by 34 by 2 equal to 1. So 1 metal bond is there. So the structure is Mn, there is 1 metal bond and other 5 carbonyl is there. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. this is the structure of Mn2CO whole 10. So first calculate total valence electron, then number of metal bonds. Now second example. In case of Fe2CO whole 9, first calculate total valence electron equal to iron, this is 3d6 4h2, so valence electron 8, so 8 into 2 plus 9 into 2, because 9 carbonyl 2 contribute electron, so 16 plus 18 equal to 34. Now second calculate number of metal bonds equal to 18 into n minus total valence electron by 2 equal to 18 into n equal to 2 equal to 34 by 2 equal to 1. So here is one metal bond. So iron, but there is 3 carbonyl bridging position. 3 carbonyl bridging position. So actual structure is iron. Actual formula is iron mu 2 CO whole 3 CO whole 6. Where is mu? Mu define the bridging position, and 2, this is defined the number of metal atom are bridging, total number of metal atom. There is 2 metal atom bridge, so there is the 2. Now in case of ruthenium osmium, we know iron, ruthenium, osmium, same metal. In case of ruthenium osmium, is M2CO whole 9 in same complex. Iron replaced ruthenium or osmium. So the structure similar. This is a metal bond. Number of metal bond equal to 1. That is similar because total valence electron same and number of metal bond are same because ligand are same. Now the structure is ruthenium. Suppose metal generate metal CO, 4 CO are terminal in one metal and 4 CO are terminal in other metal, and 1 are bridging because in down the group metal size increase. So metal carbon metal, this carbonyl ligand bridging ligand metal carbon metal, this overlap not better, not so good because metal size increase. But in case of iron, size small, so metal carbon metal, this is overlap, better overlap. So from the 3 carbonyl are bridging. But in case of ruthenium osmium, so there is 1 carbonyl is bridging. Now another example. In case of iron 3 CO whole 12, first calculate total valence electron equal to 3 into 8 plus 12 into 2 equal to, this is 24 equal to 24 equal to 48. Then calculate number of metal bonds equal to 18 into, there is 3 metal, so 3 minus total valence electron 48 by 2 equal to 54 minus 48 by 2 equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. Now the structure is iron. There is 3 metal bond. 1, 2, 3. 3 metal bond. Now in CO, first 4 CO is terminal. Other 3 are terminal in 2 iron and 2 are bridging. So there is 4, 7, 10, 12. This is the structure of Fe3CO whole 12. This is 2 are bridging carbonyl. Now the general formula is iron 3 mu2 CO. There is mu2 CO here 2 and CO terminal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total CO 10. This is the actual formula. Now, in place of this ruthenium or osmium, ruthenium 3 CO whole 12 or osmium 3 CO whole 12. In general, metal 3 CO whole 12. Calculate the number of metal bond, same 3, but there is no bridging ligand. Metal, 3 metal bond is there. Here is 4 CO terminal and other 4 CO terminal, and all CO are terminal position, not bridging, because number of metal increase, and down the group, iron, ruthenium, osmium, down the group metal size increase and number of metal increase. So bridging ability, metal carbon bond formation, this overlap are not better. So there is no bridging ligand is present in ruthenium, in osmium, but iron there is small size, so metal carbon bond are bridging. Another example, in case of CO whole 4 CO whole 12 or rhodium whole 4 CO whole 12, general M4 CO whole 12. Now first calculate total valence electron equal to, there is cobalt 9 into 4 plus 12 into 2 equal to 36 plus 24 equal to 60. Now calculate number of metal bonds equal to, this is 18 into, there is number of metal 4 minus 60 equal to 2 equal to 72 minus 60 by 2 equal to 6. So there are 6 metal bond. The structure is metal. So there is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. There is 6 metal bond. Then carbonyl, there is 4 carbonyl is there. 4 carbonyl is there. Another CO, this is bridging, 3 bridging and 2 are terminal. So there is 3. Here is 3 carbonyl. So the structure is metal, there is 3 terminal, 2 terminal, there is 2 terminal and 2 terminal, 3 to 5, 7, 9 and 3 are bridging. So this is the form of cobalt 4 CO whole 12. But in case of iridium 4 CO whole 12, so number of metal bond equal to same 6, but there is no bridging bond because iridium size are bigger. So there is 6, there is all are 4 are terminal. There is no bridging CO. So remember this thing, size increase, so bridging ability decrease, because there is metal carbon overlap and does not better. Second, I discuss 16 electron rule. First I discuss 18 electrons rule. Second I discuss 16 electrons rule. This is applied for square planar complex. Now first calculate step 1. This is step 1. Similar, first calculate total valence electron, then calculate, this is step 2, then calculate number of metal bonds equal to 16 into n minus total valence electron by 2. This is similar, 18 replaced to 16, where n equal to number of metal atoms. Eta 2 C2H4 rhodium mu Cl whole 2. First calculate, this is square planar complex. First calculate total valence electron equal to, this is 2 into, here is 2, mu 2 C2H4 whole 2. So eta 2 contribute 2 electron plus rhodium cobalt family. So cobalt, this is 3d7 4s2, there is 9 electron. So 9 plus mu Cl, in bridging mu Cl there is 3 electron contribute, so there is 3 and total into 2, so equal to 4 plus 9 plus 3 into 2 equal to 16 into 2 equal to 32. Now then calculate number of metal bonds equal to 16 into n minus total valence electron by 2 equal to 16 into n equal to number of metal, this is rhodium 1 into whole 2, there is 2 minus total valence electron 32 by 2 equal to 32 by 32 by 2 equal to 0. So the complex is rhodium, there is no metal bond, so there is 2 Cl bridging and 2 ethylene group are 4 ethylene group are terminal. So this is the structure. So this is all about metal carbonic cluster, low nuclearity carbonic cluster. Next day I discuss high nuclearity carbonic cluster. So please stay with me and like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you.